you guys? I hope you are all doing well. I just wanted to do a quick little video talking about some new products from the Detox Market. Pardon how I look today and maybe my energy, because I am just not feeling great today. As some of you might know, I am dealing with mold toxicity, and today I'm just feeling extra not good. So anyway, just wanted to put that out there, but I did want to share with you guys some products that are new and available at the Detox Market. They were so kind to send these to me, but this video is not sponsored. I'm not being paid to make this video, but just wanted to share with you guys some new products that are available there. So the first one is from this brand called Perez, which I don't know if you've heard of that brand before. I tried their products several years ago, but this is their Ginkgo Micellar cleanser, and this is really interesting because you actually refill it on your own and actually fill it up on your own. So it comes with some tablets here. So these are 3 micellar tablets, and then you also get the actual container that you're gonna use. So basically you fill up water to this spot right here, and then you're gonna drop in one of the tablets. So that's really cool that this essentially is giving you 3 full products then, with the fact that this is refillable. So you just drop 1 tablet in, you leave it for 4 hours to let it fully dissolve, and then you can go ahead and start using it. But I thought that was super cool that it ends up giving you 3 full-size products. That is the first item that is new at the Detox Market. The next is this cute little mini bundle from Paume. I have talked about this brand before. I am a huge fan of them. I love their hand cream. So this little bundle comes with 2 of their products. It comes with their probiotic hand balm, which is the product that I have tried before from them. I have a full size of this. I've gone through a full size of this. I've started a second full size as well, which I've used quite a bit of, but super cool to have this little mini size. This is great for traveling, perfect little mini size, and a good way to try it out too if you've never tried it before. So that's really nice. And then it also comes with this overnight hand and foot hydration mask. This looks really interesting. It says it's formulated to hydrate, soften, and condition dry, cracked skin. So a mask for your hands and feet, something thicker than the hand balm. And while this does say hand balm, you might think that that means it's going to be like a thicker hand cream. It's actually not. I actually find it pretty lightweight. So this is something that I'll use year round, and I feel like it gives good moisture to my hands, and it's not like overly thick or heavy, doesn't feel sticky at all. The next thing is this Manuka Health raw Manuka honey. Manuka honey is great. Manuka honey has a lot of benefits, and this just looks really good. So I'm very excited to test this out and use this. I think I'll probably put this in some tea, but you can use Manuka honey in so many different ways. So that's very exciting to see. And then the last item is a lip gloss. So this is the Goop Beauty Hydra-Barrier Gel Gloss in the shade Lilac, which this shade looks very interesting. It is like a purple shade, lilac. So that looked really fun. It definitely, I feel like, is going to be one where it doesn't look like purple on your lips, but it's just sheer. I'll put a little clip of what it looks like on the lips. This is now available at the Detox Market as well. So that video was super quick, but I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing, show you guys some new products that are available at the Detox Market. I will have all of them listed in the description box below if you want to check them out. But anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well, and depending on when you're watching this, I hope you have a great rest of your week or a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you're not already subscribed and you want to see even more content from me in the future, I would love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.